The crankshaft position sensor detects crankshaft position and sends a signal to the ECM. The ECM calculates the injection timing, ignition timing, and engine RPM according to the crankshaft position sensor signals. There are three types of crankshaft position sensors: optical type, inductive type, and Hall IC type. The optical type, mainly located at the distributor, it consists of LED, photodiode, and rotation slit. And it monitors the crankshaft position depending on the slit location. As for the optical type sensor check the voltage between the sensor power terminal and ground terminal at ignition on condition, and then check if there's 0 or 5 voltage from the sensor signal wires. To check the sensor and sensor wiring, connect the connector and measure the waveform of the signal wire at the cranking or running condition. The inductive type sensor consists of a permanent magnet and winding coil. The magnet flux field at the sensor responds as the teeth on the sensing teeth. The sensor generates AC voltage by rotation of the sensing teeth. The inductive sensor is normally a 2-wire device. However, some sensors have 3 wires, the third being a coaxial shield wire to keep out any interference that may interrupt and corrupt the signal. To check sensor and sensor wiring, connect the connector and measure the waveform of the signal wire at the cranking state. The Hall IC type sensor consists of a Hall element with a semiconductor. When magnet flux to the Hall element changes, the Hall element is activated. It monitors the shaft rotation using Hall effect. The terminal of this sensor consists of 12-volt sensor power, 5-volt signal, and ground. Voltages at each terminal should be 12-volt, 5-volt, and 0-volt at IG on state. To check sensor and wiring, connect the connector and measure the waveform of the signal wire at the cranking or running condition.